Introduction. Why replace your Ghibli key fob battery? Is your Maserati Ghibli key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement for 2014-2022 models, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. Expect this to take 5 to 10 minutes and save you $20 to $50. We will be replacing the CR2032 battery. Your Maserati Ghibli key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a widely available and inexpensive battery, costing around $1 to $5. Ensure you purchase a lithium battery for optimal performance and longevity. Avoid alkaline alternatives as they can corrode the fob. CR2032 batteries usually last 1 to 2 years under normal use. You'll only need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to pry open the key fob. No soldering or special tools are required. Working on a clean surface is recommended to avoid losing any small parts. Also, make sure to not disassemble the key blade. Locate the small indentation on the side of the key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into the indentation and gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the plastic housing. Once the cover is loose, carefully separate the two halves. With the fob open, gently remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Double-check the polarity to avoid issues. Now reassemble the key fob and test its functionality. Carefully snap the key fob cover back into place. Ensure that the cover is securely closed. Test the key fob's range and functionality by pressing the buttons. The typical range is 20 to 50 feet. If the fob doesn't respond, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, check for dirt or debris on the contacts. Clean them gently with a soft cloth or isopropyl alcohol. In rare cases, 2021-2022 models might need dealership reprogramming if the fob fails to sync. Most DIY attempts succeed with a 95% success rate. While DIY battery replacement is currently the norm for 2014-2022 Ghiblis, newer models and future vehicles are trending towards more advanced key systems. Post-2023 Maserati models are using proximity-based digital keys. Batteryless or rechargeable key fobs and smartphone-integrated keys are becoming increasingly common, potentially making battery replacements obsolete in the long run. As of 2027, it's predicted that 50% of luxury cars will adopt smartphone-integrated keys.